Hi, what's up? Why you are crying? क्या हुआ? Okay, I can solve it. As always, you can order any luxury brand from Tata CLIQ. Yeah, don't worry, it's trustworthy app. So why go offline when you have online? Yes. So do order it and let me know your experience. Okay, bye. So you have heard the conversation. Tata CLIQ is the online app where you can go and shop your most favorite luxury brands, whether it's an Indian outfit or Western outfit, or whether it's the accessories or footwear. You can order it for your family, the complete family, brother, sister, or your kids. So this is the most amazing app. I was searching for this app only from a very long time and my experience is super amazing. You just have to go to your Play Store or Apple Store. So write Tata CLIQ luxury, so you will get it, and you just have it's already there in my phone, so you just have to say yes or download it and you will get it on your phone. So it's so amazing. I'll show you how it works. So there are so many brands, you just have to search the brand you want. And the best part about this app is the packing. Whenever you order anything online, the most irritating thing is the packing. You are never ever satisfied with the packing because whenever you get it, the box is broken, the seal is not there, it is not properly packed, and you feel so irritated the moment the packing is in your hand. And second of all, whenever you want to gift it to your friends or family, you don't feel good about it. It's always in your mind that I should go offline, buy it, pack it by myself and give it to your friends and family. But in this app, you don't have to worry at all. So this is the most amazing shopping app and trustworthy as well. So you don't worry about anything. Whenever we are thinking about luxury brands, only one thing is inside our head, that we should always go offline and buy it because we cannot trust it. But you can trust over here because whatever you get it from the brand only. From a very long time I am shopping from Tata CLIQ and I'm very satisfied. So that's why I thought of making a video of unboxing the box from Tata CLIQ, and you will see the change and you will change your mind of going offline for a luxury brand. So this is the box which I received from Tata CLIQ, and you can see there is no damage. This is beautifully packed and everything is mentioned over here, and if you can see there is a small stamp over it. So this stamp tell you that this product is from the brand. I have ordered my favorite shoes from Adidas Originals, and this is the stamp of Adidas. There is the address of the seller. So the address is from Adidas Sports India Private Limited. So this is from them only. So you have got the reason I trust Tata CLIQ. You will receive inside that box. So just look at it. This is so pretty and so luxury. Even if you are gifting to someone, I don't think so that you will feel bad about it, and I don't think so the person who is receiving it will feel bad about it. So let's open it and let's see what is exactly there inside it. And I'm very excited about my shoes. So I just want to see and I just want to show you guys. So whatever you see in the picture, you get it. you open it, you can see it's written Tata CLIQ Luxury. So it is the box from them. It's not the box from the brand, but it is from them to make you feel more luxury. So there will be a paper inside the box, and in that paper you will see that it is written luxury. So it is again from them only, not from the brand. So the paper is off, and then there is, and imagine what it is. This is for the fragrance. So I just want to tell you that they want you to feel like the queen or the king the moment you receive this from them. Whenever you see that when there is this kind of box, you always get a bad smell, you know, and I don't like that smell. So this is to remove that thing. So imagine giving you amazing fragrance. So they keep each and everything inside their head before giving it to you. So whatever you are ordering, they make sure one thing, that if they have given the name Tata CLIQ Luxury, so you should feel like luxury. You don't feel like, you know, you are just ordering from somebody else or from a normal thing. So they just want that you should feel like a king or queen when you open it. So this is for the fragrance. There is a small envelope from them. So a small thank you quote from them. How cute. So if you go through it, you will feel very good about it. So this is the box of Adidas Original, and this is what I have ordered, and this is what they have given. So this is what they make you feel like, luxury. So thank you so much Tata CLIQ for doing all these things for your customers. So now it's time to open the box of my happiness. I'm very, very excited. After a very long time I have received it. So let's see. Oh my god. Oh my god. It is exactly like the picture, and I am loving it. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Oh god. Oh, I'm so sorry. I need to show it to you as well. Ta-da! So these are my favorite shoes from a very long time. I was waiting for them, and finally it's there. Oh god. I am a big fan of shoes, and especially when it's from your favorite brand. Okay, so it's very pretty. So these are Adidas Original shoes, which I have ordered from Tata CLIQ, and the detailing and everything is super perfect, exactly as it was there on the picture. So now you get it why I'm in love with this Tata CLIQ app. So now you can also fall in love with this app by ordering your favorite brands from here. So now you don't have to worry about anything. It's trustworthy, it's amazing, and you receive what you see. So now just go and shop.